The village of Savaia is situated in the district of Lefaga. For many years, the village of Savaia has been known for its lush green forest, colorful vegetation with which its citizens plant to decorate their homes, and in particular, where the green vegetation merges with the clear blue ocean. These surroundings has earned Savaia the title of Benina, which if translated means the pearl. Savaia is the fourth village to participate in the My Village, My Pride Spotlight Initiative program to stop the violence against women. However, it wasn't just residents of Savaia, but also of neighboring village, Matautu. The songs, traditional dances, and contemporary dances reflected a passion the village of Savaia and Matautu had for the protection of women and children and the need to stamp out all forms of violence against them. The debate between men and women on the topic of is Savaia still considered a Benina brought out many discussions, including the fact that the forefathers, the Matais or the chiefs of Savaia, recognized years ago the important role of women in villages and how important it is to cherish and protect them.
Le mele le wa utusi mai le lima o tamalo ro ma to fasava on o Savaia ai le tula fono whatever is sound a pais tamalo is on to so na fine san fa o lima chinan tamata a talu na fa le tula fono ele ai ma se tina o sa fa pe mai a me o fasia o lo to no fo ne Savaia ele se fine ta was no tang a ta no ne o no ting et fai mea fai no to no ele to twist se o stanga tes ele o le mea nai lo ai le fa lo o le no i ya no me tama kai o isi no lo a mai mama o lo to no ne.
It was an event which involved all age groups and the different bodies of the Savaia and Matautu community, women, men, and the youth. The message would ring clear that night, and in the Samoan language, Opa'ule fatu le ele ele le, o tupu, maola lausiusi.